Welcome back to Hot Rod Guy Garage, and today we got another product review. It's something Daisy's super excited about, so let me flip it around and we'll go over what we got. And Daisy heard it was something cat related. She was super excited to see what it was. Our friends over at Grolomge sent us this outdoor cat house for our outside cat, Lily. This thing is pretty cool. It is waterproof, snowproof, and it has a heated pad inside of it. So Daisy's ready to see what's in the box that her friend's going to get, so let's get this thing opened up. So I've got it put together. Comes with some pretty simple and easy to read instructions, guys. Pretty nice little unit. Just velcros together. It's waterproof. Like I said, snowproof. So I got it plugged into the wall right now, letting it heat up. We're going to see how it does from there. But the heating pad gets about 113 degrees, which is ideal for cats or outside animals, which is what this is intended for. So we're going to set this up for Lily outside here in just a little while. But I'm going to let the heating pad warm up. I'm going to see how Daisy likes it before we take it outside and get it hooked up. Daisy, look. Here. Look. It's got a little door. It's warm. You want to try it out? Well, what do you think, Miss Furball? You like it in there? Huh? Good and warm? Well, this thing has got two doors. It's got one here. It's got one over here on the side, so you can see in the front side. Daisy is definitely checking it out. She seems to like it. And we got Lily in it. She seems to like it. She's checking it out. You're gonna really like it outside, aren't you? Huh? Hmm? You happy? Stay out of your house? Yeah, I think Lily likes it. Unfortunately, she don't want me to put it outside. She wants to stay in here. So I'm gonna have to move this thing outside probably later this afternoon. She stays in the shop mostly when it's cold outside during the day. But she does seem to enjoy it, so I'm gonna let her roll around in here and get her scent in it. That way when we put it outside, she'll be happy. But another big thing about this, it is snow and waterproof. Even though it velcros together, guys, it is pretty darn sturdy as far as the roof and stuff goes. So I'll flip around and show you the waterproof features of it, and then I'll be back. We've got a little water in a dish here. I'm not gonna flood my shop, but you can see how it just beads up and rolls off. So that's real important when it comes to this stuff, that, you know, it don't get saturated and get through to the inside. So feeds up pretty well, comes off. So it's a little while later, and I let this sit here. And while the top canvas does kind of absorb some of the water, it does have that silver insulation sewn into it, so none of it gets to the inside. And Lily is still in there, nice and dry and happy. I don't know if you can hear her purring or not, but she is happy. And just sticking my hand in here, I can feel a temperature difference. It is nice and warm in here. And another thing I didn't mention, this thing has a nice protected waterproof cord. It is not just coated with something, it actually has a very nice made cord. So I got it plugged in. Like I said, I've been letting it heat up for her. She seems super happy with it. Really got her set up outside, and she looks like she's good and warm in there. So guys, for the money, it seems like a win-win. You got some outside cats or outside animals that are small. Look into these, because, you know, it's going to keep them warm. Sticking my hand in there, it's like 62 degrees in the shop in here. It is significantly warmer inside that cat house. It's temperature regulated to like 114 degrees, which is safe for a cat. So not only is that heating pad, you know, it absorbs heat, and then their body heat reflects around inside with that insulation inside. So super nice little piece. Make sure you check them out. There'll be a discount code down in the description below. That said, guys, if you like these kind of videos, make sure you like this video, share them with your friends. If you're not a subscriber, hit that subscribe button. It's absolutely free and doesn't cost anything. If you are a subscriber, I greatly appreciate you guys, and I'll see y'all at the next video. Thanks for watching.